Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the event deduplication problems. I know many of you are using Facebook Pixel and Conversion API and you are facing the issue. In this video, I will show you how to fix the event deduplicate problems step by step. If you are facing this issue, then this video is perfect for you. First, you need to understand how you set up Facebook Pixel and Conversion API. If you used any plugin or apps such as Pixel site, Facebook e-commerce, plugin for WordPress, Facebook and Instagram apps for Shopify, then I want to be very clear. You cannot properly fix the event duplicate problems using these tools. These plugins and apps don't allow backend customizations. You cannot edit the code. So you cannot solve these problems correctly. Now, how can you fix these problems? The best and correct solutions is Google Tag Manager. If you have already set up Facebook Pixel Information API using Google Tag Manager and you are sending correct product information and user information like product name, product ID, value, currency, quantity, and user information like email, phone number, first name, last name, city, country, zip code, etc., etc., etc. Then you can easily fix the event deduplicate issue. But if you are not using Google Tag Manager, these problems cannot be solved properly. If you are a developer, this will be easy for you. If you are not a developer, then you should take help from a professional developer. Now we need to fix even duplicate problems. So let's get started on our screen. So I will share my screen and yeah, you can see this is our Facebook Pixel and Conversion API setups. So this is our server side, server container, and this is our browser container. Okay, so this is our browser container. I already set up Facebook Pixel browser site, and another is server side, and it is working very well. But I am facing on a problems. This is an event deduplicate because I'm not sending an event ID. And I already said about this. If you are using plugin or apps, that times you can't optimize their code, and that's why you didn't send event ID properly. And but if you are using Google Tag Manager, you can send or you can customize every tag, triggers, variables, and any parameters. So now I will send even ID parameters so that our even deduplicate problem will be solved. So you can see these events. This is our like this is our browser side PageView events and this is our server side PageView events. But you need to suppose we use one trigger for both browser and server tags. So when an event happens, it is sent at the same time from the browser and the server. Suppose this is our server setups, and it is I want to check our events is working or not. So that's why I will open our event manager and as well as I want to check our server preview mode like this tag manager debug mode. So click on preview and this is our tag manager debug view. Okay, then go to Google Tag Manager web container and click on preview. First of all, I want to check our event ID. It is working from browser and server or not. Okay, so this is our website. Okay, so I think our Google Tag Manager is connected. Now I need to check our event manager. You can see just 1 second here. We need to wait here. Yeah, these are our browser side events. And when you check here, haven't any event ID. So this is very, very big problems. Also, when I check debug view here, page view events, and this text is working and 200. It is perfect. But we are not count. Yeah, here I have one event ID, but this value is 1. Suppose when I check our event manager, then you can see page view events we are not count any collect any event ID, but server is count event ID is only 1. So this is totally wrong. Suppose when anyone land your website and purchase a product, like I will make a purchase, then I think our purchase event will be working from our server, right? Yeah, this is server is working, but this is fail. I'm not sure why this fail. Okay, that's 1 second. Okay, our access token maybe. This is our event ID, but when I check our event manager, then you can see this is our browser side, and here I haven't any. event ID. So this is big problem. Suppose anyone land your website and make a purchase. This time say event manager and your ads campaign thinking this is two purchases counting. So one purchase from our browser and another purchase from our server. So okay, I think our purchase event have a problem. Okay, so that's why this is not working here. Okay, however, and now I want to fix this event duplicate problem. So how can I solve these problems? We need to send one event ID to solve these problems. Okay, so how can I send this event ID on the Google Tag Manager web container? So when you click on variables, and we need to use one variables like user defined variables. So click on new and again click on variable configurations, and you can see unique variable templates. This is our custom templates. But you can't see this even unique event ID here. If you can't found this one, just click on this and discover our more variable types in the community templates gallery. Just a second, yeah, search bar, and you can just write down here unique event ID like this. And this event ID by created by 𝗘𝗃𝗄𝗃. You just added this one. Okay, I already added this one. That's why here show edit. You are edit. Okay, so I will use this unique event ID and write down here event underscore or ID. Okay, then you just save this one. I already created this one like this. You can see this event ID. Yeah, this is one and unique event ID and using these platforms. But now I want to use this one PageView events and purchase events, because PageView events and purchase events it is not working properly. So I will use this one. So how can I use this one? So first of all, I will use event ID on the browser PageView events. So here you can see you can find more settings and click on here and you can see this event ID. Just you right here event ID like this. You just added your event ID and click on save. Okay. Then I will edit this from our server like here. And here you can see this event ID only one. This is static value, but I want to send a dynamic value. Okay, event ID, and I will select this one and click on save. Also, when I check our event manager, that time say purchase emails are not working and page view emails are not working. Like this, you can see this is a duplicate, but it is not working properly. So I will edit this one from our page view and purchase. This is our purchase browser event. I want to send like this. Here more settings, you can see this more settings, and I'll add event ID. Sorry, event ID. Okay, event ID. And but ensure that your Facebook pixel and conversion API setups totally done. Like I'm sending like this customer information data parameters like every informations, and this is every information's dynamic value. Okay, then here you can see this product information like object properties. Here I have all product informations, and here I send dynamic value. So it is working very well. So click on save, and as well as I will send the event ID on the server events. Okay, server process events. Okay, then here you can see this is static value. I will send dynamic value, then click on save. Also you can see this all the information here, product information as well as browser informations. It is very important. If you don't know how to set up this one, just message me. I will, and if you need any paid service, you can message me. I will help. I will try to set up for you. So now I think our setup is done. So now I need to check our events, it is working or not. So click on preview. Yeah, this is our website, right? And our website here go tag assistant is connected. Now I need to check our pixel helper events. Here last 4 digit is 0863, and I want to check our tag assistants and click on container load, and this is our server container, and 0863 event ID is working. Okay, then browser site, and yeah, 0863 it is working. So I will check our event manager. You can see this. Wow, fantastic. And event page view, it is working. So this is our browser and this is our server. You can see this view item is working. So that's mean our problem is solved, right? So now I want to make a purchase. So here, click on purchase this product, and yeah, I want to check our tag assistant, and you can see this purchase events. So I will check our event ID 6500 server 6500. Wow, fantastic. Now I need to check our event manager. You can see this process events of as a browser, and this is our server. Wow, fantastic. Really? This is awesome, right? So suppose anyone land your website and make a purchase. This time one customer, they are sent two events like browser events and another server process events. Okay, but Facebook receive two events, but they are counting only one event. That means Facebook ads can understand this only one person's their purchase product. So depends on their deduplicate your personal events depends on our event ID. So yeah, when you send this event ID, I'm sure your problem will be solved. If you are facing event deduplicate issues and all other complex problems like event match quality going down, event coverage and decrease, pricing and value issues, catalog match rate problems. If you are facing any of these problems and want professional solutions, feel free to contact me anytime. I will be very happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you need any help or need your paid service, please don't hesitate to let me know. So see you soon if you want to improve your ROAS and ROI. So see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.